You know your boss is a joke.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're hard of hearing now?
I'm sorry.
Do you know where a hacker is? Yeah. What?
Excuse me. I can't hear you.
Say it again. Say it again? I'm sorry?
You're interfering with the governmental process. You're in a county-owned facility. I'm going to ask you to either shut up or leave.
Shut up?
Yes, sir.
Shut up? With my remainder amount of time, I understand that you guys are going to buy a new cruiser because Deputy Knotts destroyed...
It's Tyler Knotts.
Well, I'm sorry, but Deputy
It's Tyler Knotts and it's
my time. I'll reclaim my time.
Elvin. You can reclaim your time, but I'm asking you, it's not nuts. It's Knotts.
It's my article that I wrote. I'll write it the way I want to.
You've got a minute and a half.
That's why you protected Officer Knotts.
That's enough. His name is Knotts, and it's Elvin.
The Underground Auditor gets a warrant for his arrest for speaking. Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. This video takes place in Randolph County, West Virginia. When the Underground Auditor decides to hold his public officials accountable for misappropriation of funds, they automatically go into cover-up mode. When the deputies care not for real justice, they'll go after the people and invent crimes. Let's have a look at what's happening here, and we'll pause for comments. Make sure to subscribe to the Underground Auditor and let him know that I sent you. His link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Here's your video, folks.
Good afternoon. My name is Matthew Ballin. I'm an investigative reporter, and I've been doing a little bit of investigating, and I found this article that I'd like to read to you guys. Intermountaneer newspaper, paper of the people. Written by staff writer Igor Kelly. The article reads, the Randolph County Commissioners signed a proclamation on Thursday during its regular meeting for October 28, 2022 to be the First Responder Appreciation Day. Those honored during the meeting were Deputy Tyler Knotts, son-in-law of Sheriff Bobby Elbon, and his canine partner, Hacker Knotts. The wonderful ceremony was to honor the retirement of Deputy Canine Hacker Knotts.
Knotts.
His name is Knotts.
The commissioner read a letter to the commission prepared in honor of Hacker, stating, Dear Officer Hacker, on behalf of the Randolph County Commissioners, I want to congratulate you on the next milestone in your life, your retirement. The members of the RCC recognized and granted Canine Hacker Knotts his retirements during the regularly scheduled meeting Thursday at the Candy F. Kane Courthouse Annex. After sustaining an injury during a 75-mile-per-hour crash, Deputy Canine Hacker Knotts was forced into retirement. The German Shepherd from the Czech Republic cost 30,000 taxpayer dollars. Having said that, his career was ended in a matter of a few seconds. The commission prepared a letter in honor of Canine Hacker Knotts. Dear Hacker Knotts, on behalf of the RCC, we want to recognize that Deputy Knotts, son-in-law of Sheriff Elbon, endangered your life by recklessly driving on the other side of the road while passing on a blind curve going 75 miles per hour, which caused irreparable damage to your back. The next milestone in your life will be filled with pain and suffering due to the damage incurred. We will not miss your presence at all because we spent another $30,000 on a female attack dog. Deputy Knotts, son-in-law of Sheriff Elbon, mated with Canine Hacker Knotts his entire career and noticed that he was not acting himself and was walking differently after the accident. After a visit to the vet, the dog was taken to many specialists and was eventually diagnosed with a spinal fracture. Deputy Knotts, son-in-law of Sheriff Bobby Elbon, said, the doctor ran some tests on him and confirmed I broke his back during the crash and I could not abuse him any longer by forcing him to chew on humans. The good news is that he may never require wheels to walk, and instead of working, Canine Hacker Knotts will become a full-fledged member of the Knotts family. Deputy Knotts, Sheriff Elbon's son-in-law, last statement was, Hacker Knotts will be eating the best table scraps and licking his balls on the couch for the rest of his life. Unfortunately, this ceremony that you guys gave was not on your YouTube channel. I understand you had technical difficulties on that. So, with my remainder amount of time, I understand that you guys are going to buy a new cruiser because Deputy Knotts destroyed...
It's Tyler Knotts.
Well, I'm sorry, but Deputy
It's Tyler Knotts and it's Elvin.
My time. I'll reclaim my time.
Elvin. You can reclaim your time, but I'm asking you, it's not nuts. It's Knotts.
It's my article that I wrote. I'll write it the way I want to.
You've got a minute and a half.
All right, I understand. You're going to buy another cruiser that was destroyed. Cover up. This is what I've been investigating for the last year. Your son-in-law, you're protecting your daughter. And
He married daughters.
okay, an Elbon. I'm not quite sure what she is yet.
Obviously.
She's an Elbon. That's why you protected Officer Knotts.
That's enough. His name is Knotts and it's Elvin. You've got a minute left.
It's my time.
You've got a minute.
Can I ask for 10 seconds more?
No, you got a minute. You got a minute. You're well over.
I understand that you're going to be buying another vehicle. I understand that you've destroyed 3-4 vehicles since your tenure. I think it's unacceptable that the commissioner continues to give this man money to waste, to dwindle in compliance tools, tasers, dogs, everything to comply. That isn't what the city of Elkins needs, is compliance.
You mean the Randolph County? This is not the city, it's Randolph. We represent
Randolph County,
we represent Randolph County, not the city.
The city, Randolph County in general. You still patrol, and you still use compliance. All compliance. You guys all get giddy whenever he talks about a dog attacking a human being. Oh, good. How you all sit here and laugh. I
don't remember that being in the meeting.
I hope you all feel good about yourself whenever you talk about a dog being abused and completely destroyed within a less than a year. And then you do, where is Hacker? Does anybody know where Hacker is? Does anybody in this, I know where Hacker is. Do you know where Hacker is, sir? Do you know? I know. I took a video of him. I know exactly where he is. Does anybody? He ain't in Officer Dots's house. He ain't a member of the family anymore, is he? I'll give back the balance of my time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't go anywhere, folks. This guy is about to get a warrant for his arrest for speaking. But one thing I want to point out before you watch the rest of this video is when they threaten to arrest him, he's already outside the doors in the hallway. Don't you think that they should close the doors if they don't want him speaking loud enough? Because he was in a public area and he was not even inside the room anymore. Keep watching, folks.
We brought in $17,457. Again, that number's different just because we got that restitution. I just put it in that hole. With RN,
Thank you.
with RN Enterprises, we have no
Is
expenses.
that all for me?
No, you're good.
No, you
And
or something?
we have brought in $676. With federal probation, we have spent $6,700. We brought in $16,190. With drug court, we spent $17,740. We've brought in $10,675. But we have a few months that are behind in the drug court because they've changed the way of billing, so they're a little behind in the money. So hopefully we see that money coming soon. DHR, I did this and then I had to redo it because the mail came and we had a check for $22,800 today. So I had to redo it, but.
Baby, this is Joaquin, baby. Look at him.
You're interfering with the governmental process. There's a county-owned facility. I'm gonna ask you to either shut up or leave.
Shut up.
Yep.
Shut up.
Yeah, you need to stop. What you're doing, cease and desist.
This is a public building.
But it's not being creating a disturbance
I'm
here.
leaving.
Okay.
I'm not creating a disturbance.
If you're leaving.
You are, because you're interrupting the meeting. We can't get this meeting done.
So I'm warning you disorderly conduct.
All right, so the next one is consider approval of the county holidays for 2023. Where's the folder at?
Yeah,
All right,
I lost you.
sorry. So Juneteenth is going to be on there as well.
Good.
Interrupting the governmental process.
So we're making,
So you were calling here just to hang out? You were just called here to hang out?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
You were called here just to hang out?
Interfering with the governmental process here. We can't.
That's all right. Close the door.
I will.
It's called creating privacy, brother. What a joke. You know your boss is a joke.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
You know your boss is a joke. You know your boss is a joke.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're hard of hearing now? Oh, you poor little baby. How's Hacker doing? Do you know where Hacker is?
I'm sorry.
Do you know where Hacker is? Yeah, hard of hearing again, huh? Yeah, you poor little baby. I'll get you, and I'll get Bobby too.
Okay.
And that's a legal threat, not a physical threat. What? You heard me before because she's okay. Look at you. You're going to be a star. A YouTube star. Look at you go. Look at you go. How sexy your beard is.
Good.
Look at you go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Boy, you look. Were you ever in the military?
Excuse me.
Yeah, I'll follow you. Good.
Okay.
Were you ever in the military? No? Even no? Yeah, body cam's good. Do you speak?
No. Unless you have a crime to report.
Oh, is that right,
Yeah.
Lieutenant? He don't speak. Why are you backing up on me like that? Come
walked
around
in
my
front of
front. Boy, you guys look nice.
Thanks, appreciate it.
You blind? They look nice, do they?
Yeah, they look beautiful. Look at them. They look like they want to kick my ass. That's what they look, because
How you been?
I've been hammering on their bus online. They all watch me. The Underground Auditor, if you don't know. Tugga, to be short. How'd you like that little speech I gave in there about Deputy Canine Hacker? Nuts.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you are sorry. You couldn't say anything more perfect.
I can't hear you.
Say it again. Say it again? I'm sorry. Let's follow him. This one's no fun. This one may be better.
I'll make a motion to approve David Keeson, the Service Commission President, beginning January 1, 2023.
Pardon me. Don't bump into me, brother.
I'm not bumping into you. You're moving. I'm standing still.
Look at him. Look at this clown. Look at that clown. What's your name? Oh yeah, this is Talkie Baby. This is Talkie Baby.
Hey.
Look at him.
You're interfering with the governmental process. You're in a county-owned facility. I'm going to ask you to either shut up or leave.
Shut up.
Yes, sir.
Shut up.
Yeah, you need to stop. What you're doing, cease and desist.
This is a public building.
But it's not to be create a disturbance
I'm
here.
leaving.
Okay.
I'm not creating a disturbance.
If you're leaving, then there's the front door.
Interrupting the meeting. We can't get this meeting conducted.
All right.
So I'm warning you disorderly conduct.
I'm going down. I've beat that charge many times before. Disorderly conduct is a physical act, you ninny.
You might want to read again.
It is.
Okay.
Disorderly conduct has to be a physical threat or a
It's not.
violation.
We've already been through this. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah. Y'all kiss my ass, man.
Okay. Keep going.
You ready to go, Richard? I came to do what I had to do. You all will be gone soon. You're all going to jail. They were going to arrest me. I had to get out of there. I didn't want to be arrested today.
Corruption in Randolph County, West Virginia is a problem that affects the entire community. The county has experienced financial mismanagement, nepotism, fraud, extortion, and bribery by public officials. To combat this corruption, community members should work together to strengthen accountability and oversight of the county's finances and operations. Additionally, open and transparent communication between the people, local governments, and other stakeholders should be encouraged to prevent future occurrences. You guys make sure you go subscribe to the Underground Auditor and let him know I sent you. He's definitely going to need our support. And before you guys go, I want to give you a quick history of Randolph County, West Virginia. It dates back from 1787, when it was created from part of Harrison County. The county is named for Edmund Jennings Randolph, an American statesman and member of the Continental Congress. Randolph County became a part of the new state of West Virginia during the American Civil War. During the Civil War, much of the county was divided into pro-Union and pro-Confederate areas. The county courthouse in Beverly served as the seat of government for both factions. In 1864, Confederate General John M. Bowdoin raided the county, destroying several bridges and numerous homes. Following the war, the county began to rebuild and prosper. Agriculture remained the primary industry until the early 20th century. Coal mining then became a major factor in the region's economy. Urban centers began to emerge in the area, including Elkins, which is now the county's largest city. Randolph County has experienced continual growth since it was founded, with a population of 33,919 in 2020. The county has become a major transportation hub with several roads connecting it to other parts of West Virginia. It is also home to the Hopemont State Hospital and Davis and Elkins College, two prominent institutions in the region. Today, Randolph County is known for its scenic beauty, outdoor activities, and rich cultural heritage. Its rural atmosphere provides a safe place to live, work, and raise a family while still experiencing the best of West Virginia's outdoor environment. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.